can use these as part hoppers and go back and forth.
Alright, let's go. You can see people going up from there. Mountain twist, let's go. Thank you, Gabriel. Let's go. This is the mountain twist. Slick Rock Racer. Next, let's go. I give you a head start. Zion, I give Zion a head start. 1, 2, 3. I give you a head start, I still win. Swift water run, let's go. Raging River Rapids, let's go. Alright, just a snack here. The ride starts to open, the timer is passed, let's go! A little bit drizzling, but here, the best thing about Dollywood, it is rain, the ride still goes on as long as there's no
thunder. Yeah!
This one is super fun. Super fun. It's a bit cold though. I don't know, man, the temperature just dropped from very hot to very cold in like what? Minutes, because it was raining.
Wow, look, long line.
Yeah, there was long line already. Well, I can start seeing the sun here. Oh my goodness, that was fun, very fun.
Thank you, God, for the sun.
Alright. Go here. Fun? Good? Lunch time. We're getting a hot dog with chilies, french fries, chicken tender, another one for Cecilia, and regular hot dog for Zion. Yes. All of this for cost us $66.84. Although it's not that, it's big.
You have to keep the receipt.
Not bad.
The price is also good. And I also get the chili
Sorry.
piece. Good long hot dog.
What do you call a cold dog? A chili dog.
Caskets.
It's nice. It's always nice. Look over there.
Big plunge, let's go. Live music in the web area, cool. Alright, so here I got a cook for us, let's go. It's awesome. So every Saturday they have the live music here. So if you're coming on Saturday, don't forget to check the live music. Lazy River. Guys, do you like this video? If you like, please consider to subscribe and like this video. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you guys. You got your tube? Let's get our tube. There you go. Guys, please stick four of us, stick together, alright?
Okay.
Alright, let's go over there. Where's Zion? Right here. Alright guys, this concludes our video today. Don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.